Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, dear students, good morning. Dear students, very good morning to all. Please confirm that you are able to listen to me. Please tell your doubts from the chapter cash flow. Tell your doubts from the chapter cash flow. After doing cash flow topic, we'll be moving further. You can see the topics in your syllabus here. Corporate accounting, shares, debentures, rights, sweat equity shares, employee stock option buyback, redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, underwriting, cash flow statement, banking, electricity, insurance, accounting standards, comparison with AS with Ind AS. Coming back to see that you are responding. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Please respond. I am waiting for you. Then no looking back, we'll be going further. Yes, guys. So in chat, there is no replies. In question answers, there are no replies. And students are definitely adding. Here we begin. Guys, going by your first topic, issue of shares. You must be knowing the entries regarding application, allotment, first call, second call, pro rata allotment, forfeiture, reissue, and transfer to capital reserve. We will be doing one of the best questions from your module. One of the best possible questions we'll be doing. Let's do illustration number 6 here. Let's do illustration number 6. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Guys, the topic is issue of share capital. The topic is issue of share capital. Read the question carefully. 5,000 equity shares. One shareholder holding 200 shares paid the final call, paid the call money along with the allotment money, and the amount was subsequently adjusted. The person who has paid money in advance is entitled to interest on calls in advance, but question is not talking about interest, so we will not record interest entries and will record ordinary entries. Let's see the answer. Correct. You received 800 rupees in advance and which was adjusted at the time of final call. Now, interest on calls in arrears is 10% per annum unless the same is waived by the board. Interest may be paid by the company on calls in advance. In the absence of any specification, company needs to follow table F, according to which the rate of interest will be 12% from the date of receipt. So this I am talking about. Now, let's handle this question. Now let's handle this question and talk about it. This rate of interest used to be the earlier rate of interest 5 and 6%. But if the articles of association provide, company can allow this much interest as well. I am looking for a comprehensive question which I can do with you. One comprehensive question. These are very simple questions. You can definitely ask your doubts. I will respond. As we are given only 10 hours to complete it, you have to answer these questions and take up the doubts with me, guys. I am finding all these questions very small and very easy. Very easy questions, guys. Please ask your doubts from this area. I have selected a question and I will be doing this question with you. Let's find capital reserve, guys. Everyone among you knows the chapter issue of share capital, class 12 easiest possible chapter. Let's find the amount of capital reserve. Everyone, listen here. 60,000 shares. Application 4.5. Allotment 4. Call 4. Applications received for 1,10,000 shares. Category A, Category B, category C, small applicant, big applicant, and the small, big, and third you can say, ठीक है ना, extraordinary big applicant. Shares applied 70,000, allotted 42,000. You get 3 shares when you apply for 5 shares. You get 2 shares when you apply for 5 shares. You get 4 shares when you apply for 5 shares. This is called pro rata allotment. This is called pro rata allotment. Right, guys? Please read the question very carefully. Sanjay, category A, applied for 100 shares, allotted 60 shares. Vivek, category C, who applied for 1000 shares, was allotted 800 shares. Mr. Sanjay has defaulted in payment of allotment. Their shares were forfeited after the respective calls were made and reissued as so and so. Show the journal entries. Now listen. 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2.5. Now, Mr. Sanjay paid the application amount. Mr. Sanjay paid 4.5. He paid 4.5 for 5 shares. He was allotted 3 shares. Effectively, he paid 7.5. These 7.5 will be adjusted like this. On application, extra money will be adjusted towards allotment. And this is going to be the forfeiture amount. This is going to be the forfeiture amount. I am talking per share. Hopefully, you know the chapter very well. In case of any further doubts, tell me now or reply in the WhatsApp group. Mr. Vivek. He paid this amount plus he paid this amount. The forfeiture amount will be 6 per share. Sanjay Vivek. Forfeiture amount is 5. Forfeiture amount is 6. Less loss on reissue. Reissued at 8. Fully paid share. Reissued at 8. 2 rupees discount. Reissued at 6. 4 rupees discount. So the net gain to be transferred to capital reserve 3 and 2 into 60 shares into 800 shares. The amount will be 180 and amount here will be 1600. Total amount is 1780, which will be transferred to capital reserve, which will be transferred to capital reserve. This is the net gain which will be transferred to capital reserve. Guys, let's match the answer with your answer. 1780. You must understand the knowledge and the capabilities. So, quick revision of the things means first task is you must complete issue of shares topic and get back to me for your doubts. Get back to me for your doubts. Next point is regarding bonus issue. I am coming back to know your doubts. Guys, no doubts yet. You have not responded to any of the doubts. Next, equity share capital 6 lakhs, capital redemption reserve 45,000, reval reserve 15,000, security premium, general reserve, P&L, capital reserve. Capital reserve. Company decided to issue bonus shares at the rate of 1 share versus 4 held. And so you can use bonus shares means 1:4 means you want to issue now see you want to issue bonus shares 15,000 shares of 10 each is 1,50,000. You can use capital redemption reserve. You can use securities premium for the purpose of issue of bonus shares. For the purpose of issue of bonus shares. You can use general reserve. You can use P&L. You can reserve capital reserve to the extent realized in cash. To the extent realized in cash. So the entry will be entry to issue bonus shares will be bonus shares. Wait. CRR account debit. Securities premium account debit. Capital reserve account debit. General reserve account debit. To bonus to shareholders. Next entry bonus to shareholders. To equity share capital 1,50,000. This is the best answer in the given circumstances. Instead of general reserve, you could have used P&L account. No problem. Let's match the answer. 15,000 general reserve, answer is done. Good luck. Revise bonus issue topic and perform it well. Sweat equity shares. Sweat equity shares. Shares given to the promoters or the management staff for extraordinary performance. ठीक है? And this is the shares which are given. Sweat means pasina bahana. So they have done so much efforts for the company. Yeah, I will read the lines from here. When a company issues shares to its employees, directors for providing know-how, technical properties, or their experiences, these shares are called at sweat equity shares. Their shares are issued at a discount and many a times free of cost. As per section 2, subsection 28, such equity shares are issued by the company to its directors, employees at a discount, okay, at a discount, or for a consideration other than cash, or providing technical know-how. Now, here is the answer. Company has issued shares worth 50,000, lekin discount is 3,000. 3,000 will be debited to intellectual property because they must have provided something which is intellectual property. Next time shares of 80,000 are issued and this time no money was charged and they provided technical know-how. So you debit technical know-how. Next is ESOPs. Waiting to know your doubts. Dear, please tell your doubt. Let's answer this question. Let's answer this question regarding ESOPs. Company has given 2,000 options. The exercise price is 50. The market price is 100. Face value is 10. Exercise period is 1 year. Vesting period is 2 years. 600 unvested options lapsed. 1,200 options were exercised. Remaining options lapsed. Let's give the answer. The first year is 2019-20. The second year is 2020-21. This is the vesting period. And the exercise period is 1st April 21 to 30th of September 21. This is exercise period. I am doing it slow. The market value is equal to 100, but offer price is 50. Total loss to the company is 50 into 2,000 options is 1 lakh. Is 1 lakh. Now I'm just creating the story. I will record the entries. Wait. On so and so date. First year has gone. First year has gone. In the second year, first year has gone. In the second year, 600 options revised total loss out of 2,600 options gone, 1,400 options into loss of 50 is going to be 70,000 loss. 70,000 loss. 1,200 options exercised. Okay. Journal. 2019-20. Employee compensation expense to employee stock option outstanding account. 1 lakh is the total loss, and you have to apply on straight line basis in 2 years. So what will be for the first year? It will be loss will be 50,000. I am talking about 31st of March of the first year. You will close it by transfer to P&L account. Employee compensation expense being nominal account, you have closed by transfer to P&L account. First year, just 2 entries. This 50,000 will appear under reserve and surplus in the balance sheet. Next year, 2020-21, 31st of March. Employee compensation expense to employee stock option outstanding account. Total loss is 70. Total loss is 70. Revised total loss is 70. Cumulative loss of 2 years will be 70. Minus loss of first year is 50. The loss to be written off in second year is 20,000. You will transfer this on 31st of March 2021 to statement of profit and loss account. Done, guys. Now, next year is 2021-22. Out of 1,400 options, 1,200 exercised the option, 200 lapsed. When 1,200 will exercise the option, let me tell you the entry. June 30th, bank account debit, 1,200 into 50, employee stock option outstanding account debit. Please understand these are revision classes. It is assumed that you know the basics. If you don't know the basics, you must view my detailed recordings. This is a revision class. In 10 hours, we have to complete the entire things. 2. Equity share capital account. securities premium account. So the amount will be 60,000, 60,000, 12,000, 1,08,000. Remaining 10,000 will lapse. Remaining vested options lapsed. On 30th of September, the remaining vested options lapsed. Employees, stock option. It's a beautiful answer, guys. Why the figures are different? Let's check up the story about the figures. Yeah, the market value at that time was 100. The market value is not 150, guys. The market price or on that date was 100, not 150. See, this answer goes wrong. What you have done is correct. This answer goes wrong. Your answer is correct. There is no lacuna. There is no negativity. There is no negative point. This is not correct. What you did is correct. For sure. This question, the answer what I gave you is perfect. Good luck. Market price is 100, guys. 1200 options exercised into 100 is the market price. Total share capital is 1,20,000. Not, ठीक है ना? A share capital means share capital plus securities premium is 1,20,000, not 1,80,000. No. There is a typing error. You want to prove it? Yes, there is a typing error. We will do one more. What else we can do? We'll justify the logics ourselves. Let's do one more. No problem. No problem at all. Let's do one more. Yeah. Achha, you want to do this question again? You want to do this question again? Let's do this question again. Let's do this question again. Now we modify the question. We modify the question and say the market price is 150. If we say the market price is 150, yes, then the answer will take a new shape. Then answer will take a new shape. Wait. It's all about intelligence. It's all about intelligence, guys. Now, we say the total loss is, now we say the total loss is, I have modified the question. You have seen, I have modified the question. The total loss is 150 share given at 50. The total loss is 2 lakhs. This total loss of 2 lakhs and the exercise period is 2 years. So the first year loss will be 1 lakh. And this 1 lakh will be transferred to P&L account. Corrected. Next year, Listen carefully. Next year, out of 2,600 unvested options lapsed, 1,400, the total loss is reduced to 1,40,000. So 1,40,000 for cumulative 2 years minus first year, the remaining loss will be 40,000. This 40,000 will be transferred to P&L account. Next case. Next case. The shares are issued at 50. The loss is 100. The shares are issued at 50. The loss is 100. And the share premium is 140. 150 share, 10 face value, 140 premium. So the revised values will be 60,000. Equity share capital 12,000. This is 1,68,000. This is 1,20,000. Now, out of 140, employee stock option outstanding account utilized to the extent of 120, remaining 20,000 will be transferred to. You understood? There was an error in the book by chance. No, dear, you shouldn't use free reserves. First of all, free reserves are very precious things. They are available for many more things. They can be used for many more things. Prefer to use CRR, security premium, capital reserve first and general reserve thereafter. Okay, your doubt is replied. So revise these questions of ESOP. You will get brilliant. Guys, a very, very good question of ESOP. You must do this question. It will definitely come in the exam. Small question, but very meaningful question. 16,000 options at the offer price of 80, face value 10, market value 170. The vesting period is 4.5 years. The total loss will be adjusted in 4.5 years. 4.5 years. 8,000 options lapsed on so and so date. The date is given. 6,000 options were exercised. 2,000 options lapsed. Record the entries. Now there is one problem in the question. They have not told us what is the year ending. Let's assume the year ending is March. Accounting year and so on. Please, I will do it slow. Please note down the answer. Yes, please note down the answer. Chalo. The first year is 2016-17. From October to March, 6 months. The total loss is 16,000 options of 170 given at 80. That is 16,000 into 90. The total loss is 14 lakh 40,000 in 4.5 years. You understand? Let's do it. So the first entry on 31st of March will be employee compensation expense to employee stock option outstanding account 1440. What will be for half year if this is for 4.5 years? So the amount will be 1440 divided by 9. It is 1,60,000. 1,60,000. You will close on 31st of March. You call it statement of profit and loss account or you call it profit and loss account, you will get the same marks. First year is gone. Till 2021, you will repeat the same entries. You will be repeating the same entries. Total loss is 14,40,000. The cumulative of 1.5 years upon 4.5 years minus first year 1,60,000. Correct answer. Correct answer. Next. There is another error in the question. Sorry to say, but there are typing errors. There are typing errors. Now change this date to 2018. Change this date to 2018. Please make the change. Please make the change. There are sometimes errors. We can't help it, guys. 2018-19, out of 16,000 options, 8,000 lapsed. Remaining 8,000 and the loss is 90. So total revised loss is 7,20,000. Now the total revised loss is 7,20,000. And out of 7,20,000, now cumulative loss of 2.5 years versus 4.5 years will be cumulative loss. Let's check. It should be 4 lakhs. The cumulative loss should be 4 lakhs by now. The total loss should be 4 lakhs by now. And we have already provided the loss of 4,80,000 in previous years. So reverse entry. So reverse entry. Employee, stock, option, outstanding account reduced by 80,000 to P&L account. People transfer it to general reserve. I will take it as correct. How this amount is arrived? The amount is arrived 7,20,000 is revised total loss into 2.5 years upon 4.5 years minus year 1 minus year 2 is equal to minus 80,000. Let's match the answer. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. They made 2 entries, so I made 1 entry, but my entry is better. Net fact is same. Need your feedback as well. Do you wish to say anything? Do you wish to say anything? No replies. Next year is 2019-20. We repeat the entries. The total cumulative loss is 7,20,000. 3.5 years cumulative out of 4.5 years. Out of which the lapsed amount is 4 lakhs as we did earlier. As we did earlier. This will become 5,60,000 minus 4 lakh, 1,60,000. Correct answer. Next year, on the same logic, another 1,60,000 will be written off. 1,60,000 will be written off. Now, now out of now the next year is 2021-22. Now it is going to be exercise period. Exercise period. Out of 16,000, 8,000 options lapsed, remaining 8,000. Those who have exercised is 6,000. Those who have exercised is 6,000 on 30th of September. Those who exercised. Out of 8, 6 exercised, 2 couldn't. The entry will be bank account debit, employee, stock option, outstanding account debit. To equity capital, to securities. Now 6,000, face value 10. Question is never mentioned the face value. I am assuming the face value 10. I am assuming the face value to be 10. Issued at 170. The loss is of 160. Issued at 10.9. Face value is 10. Issued at 10.9. Issued at 80. The loss is 90. The face value is 10. The premium is 160. Here lies the story. This is 4,80,000. This is 5,40,000. This is 60,000. This is 9,60,000. Now, out of 7,20,000, employee stock option outstanding account 540 have been utilized. Balance will be transferred to general reserve. The balance will be transferred to general reserve, and the date is 30th of September. The first year is 16, 17, then 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21. Now it is 21, 22. Now it is 21, 22. On 31st of March 22, I'm assuming the exercise period is 1 year. The remaining employee stock option outstanding account will lapse. That is 720 minus 540 or 2,000 into 90. Last entry 1,80,000. Good luck, guys. Now I'll be waiting for your doubts. Ask your doubts, please. Ask your doubt, please. Ask your doubt. To ask your doubt, I will be showing you one more question for today. I want you to solve few more questions with me now. None is asking a doubt. None is asking doubt, so I continue further, guys. I am showing you some question paper. I am showing you some question paper, expecting a reply. I am showing you a question paper and expecting a reply. No, this is not the question I want you to do. Wait, I am going to give you a very good question. Guys, my next question with you is from chapter financial statements. We are revising so much. Please contribute. Please be very positive and very happy. Please contribute. We are going to solve another question of 10 marks regarding financial statements. We are going to solve another question regarding cash flow statement. I have identified two questions for you. Let's solve it. Let's solve these questions. I will be giving you more questions from these areas. First of all, I have identified two. We'll be identifying more questions and handling them. Now, here is a question from bonus shares. Anyway, today's requirement next. Please solve this question of cash flow statement, guys. Please solve this question of cash flow statement. Happy to see that if you are able to solve it. None is having any doubts. Here we start. It is cash flow statement. You get 15 minutes to answer this good lengthy question. Guys, read the question well. Goodwill, land, furniture, vehicle, office equipment, long-term investments. Equity capital, general reserve, P&L account, capital reserve, debentures, loan, bills payable, trades payable. I am modifying the question. There are certain logics I have to make the changes. Hope you have read the question well. Hope you have read the question very well. Guys, you have read the question very well. On 1st April 22, one of the vehicles was sold for 3,000. No new purchases made. A part of the total land was sold and the balance was revalued. Capital reserve consists of profit on revaluation. Depreciation for the year is given. Dividend paid, interim dividend paid. Provision for taxation for the current year. 8% debentures were redeemed at par after half-year interest. Investment sold at a profit of 8,000. And interest income received is 6,500. Can you solve this question, guys? Can you solve this question? Your feedback, please. I am now going to solve this question, guys, for you. I will be solving this question for you. Please perform along with me. Now, please perform. I will be giving a rough answer. I said rough answer. Fair answer will consume more time. I will say rough answer. I will be starting with investing activities in rough. Investing activities. I say very quick and very fast. Guys, system hang हो गया है. It will take 5 minutes to resume. सर कुछ नेट कनेक्टिविटी इशू था अभी, जस्ट 30 सेकंड बैक मुझे 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 सिस्टम को ऑफ करके दोबारा ऑन करना है. इट विल टेक मैक्सिमम 2 मिनट्स. हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, please confirm. Voice is clear. Voice is clear. Video.
Clear, sir. Video also clear, sir.
Sir, just a second. Let's confirm the screen is visible, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
please confirm screen is visible.
Visible, sir.
Right, sir. Sir, I continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, dear students, we are starting with investing activities, quick and fast. Investing activities. Here we start. Here is the question which we are doing. Here is the question which we are doing. Guys, investing activities, please. Everyone smart. Investing activities. Goodwill. Goodwill was 28. Now goodwill is 15. So amortization of goodwill is a non-cash. Amortization of goodwill is a non-cash activity. Leave it. Land. 6 becomes 575. Why? Let's make working note regarding the land. I set land. Land brought down. Land carried down. I am doing rough work. I said the land is 575. The land is 6. The land is 575. This is 10 marks exam question. This is 10 marks exam question. Now it says regarding the land. Land was sold for 125, cost 1 lakh. Land was sold for 125, by bank 125. The profit on sale is 25,000. That is one thing. Now, next, listen further. They say a land capital reserve consists of the balanced land. So there is a capital reserve. Where is a capital reserve? Capital reserve is 75,000. Capital reserve is 75,000. Now the total is be excellent. The visibility of land account is very clear to every member. Okay. Next. After land, I talk about furniture. 44 becomes 48. Furniture. $44 becomes $48. Furniture 44 becomes 48. Depreciation on furniture and fixture is 5,000. Depreciation on furniture and fixture is 5,000. Guys, are you able to listen to me? Am I audible? Am I audible, guys?
Sir, you are not audible. Hello, sir.
सर हाँ वो मैंने दोबारा से इसको किया है अब प्लीज अब देखिए जरा इज एवरीथिंग ओके नाउ सर Sir, by now. Done, sir. Done, sir. And sir, content is visible. Content is visible. Done, sir. Done, sir. Thank you, sir. Guys, furniture we were talking about. Furniture we were talking about, it is 5,000. Now, this is vehicle. There is no information about. Where is information about furniture? Vehicle sold, land, depreciation, interim dividend, else, nothing else. So the new furniture purchased is total is 53. Total is 53. So new furniture purchased to bank. Next activity. Next activity is vehicles. 22 becomes 28. Vehicles. 22 becomes 28. Vehicles, the depreciation is 22. Vehicles, the value is 28 becomes 22. Vehicles brought down 28, carried down 22. Depreciation is 2,200, and one of the vehicles sold new purchased for 3,000, 2,200. So depreciation is 2,200. Sold is 3,000. Balance is the loss on sale. So total is 28,000. Total is 28,000. 800 is the loss. 800 is the loss. Vehicle account is closed. Next, after vehicle, office equipment, nil becomes 21,000. Office equipment is a clear buy. Need not make a working note. Office equipment is a clear buy. Office equipment. Long-term investments, 110 becomes 60. Investment account. Brought down, carried down. Investments brought down, carried down. Investments were 60, now it becomes 110. No, earlier it was 110, now it becomes 60. 110 becomes 60. 110 becomes 60. And the information is regarding part of long-term investment sold at a profit of 8,000. So 50,000 are sold for 58,000 by bank, 58,000. And profit on sale is 8,000. So total is 1,18,000. Everything is okay and workable. Now, investing activities. I am talking about purchase and sale. I will say land sold. Proceeds from sale of land, 125. Next, Proceeds from sale of vehicles. Proceeds from sale of vehicles, 3,000. Proceeds from sale of investments, 1 lakh. 25,000. Furniture purchased, outflow of cash, 9,000. 9,000, 9,000, 9,000. Next. Wait. Office equipment purchased, 21,000. Purchased. Interest on investments, received. Interest on investments received. Interest on investments are 6,500. So these are the values and the resultant will be the answer. So answer is net increase. ठीक है ना? Net cash generated from investing activities. So let's make the total and recheck the total. So 1,25,000 plus 1 lakh, 2,50,000, 2,50,000 minus 30,000, 2,20,000, 2,20,000, 229,500. We'll check the total as well. I am doing without calculator, so we'll check the answer. They have not provided the answer regarding investing activities. No problem. We will try to match the answer. We go to financing activities. We go to financing activities and make the matter more clear. A share capital is raised by 1,80,000. Share capital, there is no comments, but share capital is raised by 1,80,000. You must remember. Next. Debentures 3 lakhs. Now debentures are nil and debentures redeemed at the middle of the year. You must remember. Loan from Andrew repaid. You must remember. And that's all. There is no more interim dividend paid. Yes, another information or nothing else. Job of few seconds. So if T share capital raised, if T share capital raised, debentures redeemed, loan repaid, debenture interest paid, Interim dividend paid. Let's make the answer ready. Debentures redeemed 8% in the interim dividend 5,000. Interim dividend paid is 5,000. Equity share capital 180. Equity share capital 180. Debentures 3 lakhs. Debentures 3 lakhs. Debenture interest 12,000. Loan repaid 15,000. Amount will be 15, 20, 32, 332, 152 negative. We can always check the total later on. 48, 58, 68, 68, 68, 68, 68, 77, 5. This is something rough. I will tell you why. And here the answer says cash flows from operating activities. And we need to recheck using. That is our responsibility. That is going to be our performance. Creditors for equipment, guys. Guys, we missed a point. We missed a point here. Oh, notice it. Creditors for equipment, guys. Creditors for equipment. How much creditors? 10,500. Creditors for equipment is 10,500. So creditors for equipment 21,000. Outstanding is 10,500. So paid is 10,500. Paid is 10,500. Outflow get reduced. Outflow get reduced. Land is sold for 1,25,000. That's for sure. Let's check up. It will be 240. Going further, going further, we need to match this answer. We need to match this answer. Are you attentive, everybody? Listening carefully. So 152 to 40, difference is maybe 88. And then there is going to be another difference. And if we listen, wait, guys. Outstanding creditors, trade payables, loan, debentures, capital reserve, general reserve, equity share capital 180, the goodwill, return of land, furniture, vehicle, office, equipment, 21,000 investments. The one of the vehicle is sold for, the land is sold for, everything going so well, no problem at all. Are you reading the question well? Yes. 34. Now we go to operating activities, my dear friends. So answer is operating activities all well. Operating activities, how you will gain the knowledge. Wait, I will make surplus account. I will make surplus account. I will say this is a balance. This is a balance. This is interim dividend. This is to transfer to general reserve, and this is net profit for the year. Net profit here means PAT after tax. Very quickly now. Hurriedly. You are very smart students. Provision for tax 11 becomes 18. If I need to check something else, I will do so from here. The goodwill has reduced. Land 6 lakhs becomes 575. Furniture has increased. 28 becomes 22. Mathematically correct. Office furniture increased. Investments reduced as the investments are sold. 110 becomes all thing going well. P&L account surplus is 52 becomes 93. 52 becomes 93. Interim dividend is this. Transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve is 30,000. Transfer to general reserve is 30,000. 30 plus 35, 35, 128. 128, 128. 70,000 is PAT. We will be verifying the PAT. I am doing without calculator. Provision for taxation. This is a liability. This is liability carried out. This is current year tax. And this is payment. They say the provision for taxation is 11 becomes 18. 11 becomes 18. 11 becomes 18. Wait. 11 becomes 18 plus interest income is 6,500. That is okay. Part of investment sold at a profit of 8,000 is okay. Debentures are redeemed at the middle of the year. That is okay. Provision for tax for the year is, here is the catch. Here is the catch. This is 16,000. This is 16,000. Total is 27,000. So total is 27,000. The paid is 9,000. Anyway, I start. I say net profit before tax. The net profit is 70 and before tax it is 86. Net profit is 70 and before tax it is 86,000. I will be matching the answer with the given answer key and make corrections in the answer key if required. I will be making corrections in the answer key if required. We said 86, they say 92. Why they say 92? We will come back to the point. We have to, we don't have the option. Look here, interest income, provision for taxation for the year 16. The balances are 52, 93. We say 52 and 93, 52, 93. Transfer to general reserve is 30 and term dividend is 5. So 35 plus 93, 128, 120. Yeah, this totaling is wrong, guys. This totaling went wrong. 52. 76,000. Concept wise, it cannot be wrong, you know. 76,000. it becomes 92,000. Adjustment for non-cash and non-operating activities. Now in the question, whatever goes to P&L, which is non-cash, non-operating, is to be adjusted. That is amortization of goodwill. Amortization of goodwill. Next is depreciation on tangible fixed assets. Next is debenture interest. Whatever goes to P&L need to be adjusted. Whatever. Next is interest on investments. What next? Let's see. Goodwill is 13,000 amortized. Goodwill amortized is 13,000. Regarding land, the profit on sale of land is 25,000. The profit on sale of land is 25,000. Profit on sale of investment 8,000. Profit on sale of investments 8,000. Loss on sale of these, everything goes to P&L and P&L 800. Loss on sale of vehicles 800. Depreciation is 5,000 plus 2,200. I will check it again. Debenture interest is 3 lakhs 4%, 12,000. We'll check it again. We will check it again. Depreciation is 5, depreciation is 2,200, nothing else. Then land, furniture, investment, and interest 6,500. Interest is 65. Interest on investment is 65. What else? Question will say what else? Question will say what else? Question says what else? Question says vehicles okay, land okay, depreciation, provision for tax, debenture interest, profit on sale, everything is okay. So let's match these figures. So let's match these figures with the answer key given, saving a lot of time. So 5,000, 2,200, that is 7,200. Next is 25,800. 25,800. Next is 8,000, 6,500. 8,000, 6,500. Next is 12,000, 13,000. Next is 13,000. Next is 12,000. All well done. The figure is here is operating profit before WC changes. operating profit before the capital changes. And the value is 85,500. The value is 85,500. Done. Now, adjustment for working capital changes. Guys, ask your doubt, please. Ask your doubt, please. Waiting to know your doubt, guys. Yes, I am audible. Thank you. Working capital changes and make it very quick. Make working capital changes very quick. Start. Stock was 88, becomes 96, 8,000. Stock increase in inventories. Next. Bill receivables 14 becomes 18. 3650 increase. 3650 increase in trade receivables. Next, 52 becomes 46, 6,000 degrees. Decrease in trade debtors 6,000. Next, bills payable 13 becomes 11. Decrease in decrease in what was bills payable. Decrease in bills payable. $2,000. Next, trade creditors 45 becomes 49. Increase 4,000. Increase in trade creditors 4,000. Next. That's all. Let's match the answer. They say there is one outstanding expenses as well. We haven't seen. Outstanding expenses are there. 3,000 becomes 4,500. Increase in outstanding expenses. This is increase in cash. This is increase. Now 3 minus 3 plus. Answer. Answer, guys. Answer, guys, quickly. 8,000 minus 8,000 minus, then 3,650 minus, then 6,000 plus, 2,000 minus, 4,000 plus, 1,500 plus, and the resultant amount is 8,350. This is cash generated from operations. Yes. Tax paid we have calculated, you remember? You remember we have calculated tax paid? We have calculated tax paid somewhere. Tax paid 9,000. So tax paid is 9,000. So the final answer is 74350 net cash generated from activities. Guys, so 74350 it's matching. Now one task is left. One task is left. Can I take your help, please? Can I take your help making the aggregate total check that the total of everything is correct? Nothing is pending. Equipment, furniture, vehicle, payables, creditors, outstandings, taxations, all correct. Wait. Give me 2 minutes more. Lot of performance more is expected. They say cash and cash equivalent 34 becomes 129. They say 134 becomes 129. This is 74. This is 152 minus. This is 240 plus. There is some problem. Wait. I have done this question earlier as well. Let's verify. Give me a minute. We are talking about question of cash flow. Chale guys, we'll verify it later. But first of all, more important are your doubts. So we are left with 5-7 minutes. Please tell me your doubts. Please tell me your doubt, guys. Your doubts from any chapter of your syllabus. Be it be financial statements, issue of share capital, issue of debentures, redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures, buyback, ESOPs, and any other chapter. Cash flow. I would like to show you one more question, a good and a beautiful question. Let's answer this as well. Let's answer this question as well. Guys, a very good question of cash flow statement. A very good question of cash flow statement. Look here, you have to solve so many questions of cash flow to become perfect. Share your doubts, please. Eagerly waiting to know your doubts. No doubts at all. Should I say something else about the chapter then? Let's then spend 5 more minutes to verify this answer. Let's spend 5 minutes more to verify this answer in totaling aspects. Land, total value 7 lakhs, it's matching. Furniture 53,000, depreciation, everything is okay. Vehicle, it's matching. Investment accounts, profit and sold for, it's all well. Answer, land, vehicle, investments. Investments is 58,000, guys. Here we found the figure right. Investment is not 125, investment is 58. 125 versus 58, 42, 25, 67,000 less. 67,000 less means 177. Now 177 financing is 152, 21,000 positive, 21,000 positive, 21,000. Now I write net increase in cash and cash equivalent. Now this is point number 1. This is point number 2. This is point number 3. I mean to say this is C. This is A. This is B. This is A. A plus B plus C. The answer is 74350 plus 1,70,000 something plus and minus 152 minus 177 plus 177 plus 152 minus. So 21,000. This is 95,350. Add cash and cash equivalent at the beginning. Add cash and cash equivalent at the beginning. And the cash and cash equivalent at the beginning is cash equivalent at the beginning is wait. Cash and cash 34,500. So this is cash and cash equivalent at the end. This is 850. This is 9. This is 129. If totaling is okay, let's verify. So this is 129,850 and the task is done, guys, and splendid and good luck. No doubts. Guys, pro rata is taught at +2 level. +2 level, we did quick revision. In case of any more details you require, you can always approach me via WhatsApp for detailed recording. Here is the revision classes going on, and we are doing maximum possible, whatever possible in the given allotted time. Done, guys. Ask the next doubt, please. Ask your next doubt. I'm waiting. So we touched upon so many chapters today. Issue of shares and the treatment of issue of shares, issue of debentures is same. We talked about ESOPs. We did sweat equity shares. We did the bonus shares. Then cash flow statement. So many chapters have been covered today. We are given 5 lectures to revise it. We still have 3 lectures to go. Be very regular. Ask your doubts on a very regular basis. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Sir, from CMA office.
Yes, sir.
Rehan sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for.
Thank you. Thank you, students. Bye bye.